Right, all right, all right. It's just, so originally I was holding a long bias. I mean, I still am, but we did take out yesterday's high. We actually very like with the, it was a very shallow run. It wasn't a deep run. Like we barely booked above it, and the price start, trading down aggressively after, we took out this high. I'm still having this high intact. Like I said, it's a very shallow run. So price took out this high, and then we decided to drop back into the previous old fair value gap, and we're trading right at the weekly opening. So I'm curious to see how price wants to. This is the high right here that it's a very shallow one, not a deep one. I'm curious to see what price wants to do now. Like maybe we come see there's a liquidity right here. Maybe we come take this out right here. And if we decide to keep going low, we do have the daily low that we have marked out, which is right here. If price decides to keep dropping low. Right now, I'm trying to see how price wants to react to this level right here. It's the halfway point of this daily fair value gap. So I'm just curious. I'm just
Mm.
curious to see how price do.
I mean, I was looking for higher prices. Yeah.
I'm still looking. I mean, I'm not objectively alpha. I'm just waiting to see what price. Because, like, even though we took out yesterday's previous high, right? I mean, you see that, right? You see we took it out. It's a
Yeah,
very shallow run. Like the run is not like a deep run that we want to record. Like we
no.
touched it a few times and then we dropped down. So it's just, in my opinion, this is still like a
Yeah, turn off your
liquidity.
alarm.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
Right now, we're trading right at what? The weekly opening gap. I mean, not weekly opening gap, but the weekly opening. So I'm just curious, honestly. I mean, this also liquidity right here. I mean, if we trade underneath here, we see this fair value, this daily fair value gap, then I think we have a really easy run to get to here. Trade underneath here, we have an easy, like, what, it's about like a 30 handle run or so. Just use like that.
And when you send the Zoom link, can you text me I sent it?
I mean, just look about like,
Are you sick?
I don't think so.
You're
'Cause
sick.
I'm out in the cold downstairs and just, I mean, also another thing too, this could be like a very hard, what's the word, manipulation down. So let's see, right now we're waiting for the first forever. You have to get formed right now.
Oh. They brought the Kakashi skin, and I'm so mad, Dave. I bought the battle pass so I could have enough V-Bucks left, but they don't put V-Bucks in the battle pass anymore.
So that's we're trading in this fair value gap right here. Curious to see if price wants to blow fair value gap, or if we just want to stay, trading in one.
Wait, that blue line you have? Oh, okay, never mind.
This is halfway point of a wick.
Because that's what you talking about the fair value gap on the that. Oh, okay.
This is just this 1 minute period, so this
I was
halfway
looking at
point.
Ninja Trader. That's why I was confused. I was
I want to see price have a willingness to blow through this, or like I said, or if this price just wants to just come up here and maybe start trading lower. Yeah, no, I'm in between. Like I don't see something clear. I don't have anything like conclusive right now. So I do feel like we could go higher, but I'm not gonna ignore we dropped this hard down to the
I mean, I
downside.
was looking for price to go lower, but not drop like this.
So I'm gonna just wait. This could probably be the first river you got, depending on how what this candle wants to do right here.
Okay, this is the first formed one.
Not yet.
I mean, we're in a daily fair value gap right now, though, so let's see.
Here we are. We're in the daily fair value gap, and we're also this green line is the weekly opening as well.
But Dick, are you closer to my dream?
Looks like it is. It's a really small fair value gap.
Petite.
Yeah, and at least I'm not gonna sell into this. This is definitely. I'm gonna like to wait. 'Cause it's so like where we are right now is just too inconclusive for me to like be comfortable with any trade that I would take. Like we're literally right here and the top we're right at we're at the top of the fair value gap. We're right at the weekly opening. Like there's so much like, movement that could happen in this area. In my opinion, is not a smart place to take a trade. Like I said, I wouldn't even know. Like I wouldn't feel comfortable at all with taking a trade like that. Even if we drop a lot, even if price comes hits and drops, I just wouldn't be comfortable.
I'm pressing
Price
the
did
shit.
hit it. I think we like barely grazed it.
We didn't hit it.
We did. We're
Now
literally
we
in it right
did.
now. We're literally in it right now.
Mine might
This
be a little delayed than yours. Dave, you sound sick, Dave. Don't. I'm not sharing anything with you. Don't look my way. Like, just let me know before you go downstairs.
Gosh. It looks like we're slowly like fighting its way down, very slowly.
I mean, if we take those lows, nothing's gonna stop price from going. At least in my chart, what I have, the thing will
I
stop.
mean, we have this 15-minute fair value gap. We have a halfway point of a wick on a 5 minute. We have the halfway
That's the
point of
lows I was
this
talking
wick.
about.
Is this low? I mean, then we have this wick and then this right here.
All I have is the consecrated coachman of the daily. It's the only thing I have there.
Like if we create another fair value gap before taking this low out, I'll probably consider entering it. If at least, show us a little bit, like, something. I'll be like a lot more confident taking the trade. And we don't. It's not fine. Taking it. I'm just saying hypothetical. If you did decide to take a trade right here, you always do hypothetical. Stop it like above, like right here. So it'll give you like a nice like 1.5 range. I mean, obviously see something like that below, so something like this. It wouldn't be like too bad. That's no hypothetical. Because it's like I said, even how price is moving here, it's like going up now. It's not really like a clean like one shot move. Like there's no quick movement right now.
You're live.
Yeah, I'm always live. Every time I pull it up, I'm live. Every time I trade, I'm live.
'Cause I was looking at the market around like 8:30, and then I ended up cooking. I was like, let me see the opening and stuff. No, the market opens at 9:30, but still, it's open at 8:30 or 9:30. What the hell opens at 8:30?
9:30, 9:30. I
So what the
mean, like
hell?
you could still trade overnight and obviously 8:30, but the official opening bell is 9:30.
Okay, we have a little gap.
It's still really nothing yet. I guess this is nothing, nothing in here intrigues me at all.
I was watching Tanya trades yesterday. She said like something about SMT. I forgot what the hell the smart money technique. I forgot what
So
that.
it's just when you look at two different markets, right? Like, so I can look at Nasdaq and I can also look at S&P. One will take a low while the other won't take a. It's like two. I don't know.
Oh,
I
I
don't.
remember something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't use it either. Like I said, you don't need to use everything. All you
No,
need
I
to do
don't.
is
No, I was just because she had
I know.
everything. I was just watching it.
I know. I mean, she has her own little strategy and stuff like that. But like, you don't need all of that. Like, you just need like a good solid. Like, if you like, this is good solid stuff of like whatever you like you can like get familiar with and just be an expert on that. Like for me, fair value gaps easy. I mean, regardless if you're SMT, order block, or breaker, everybody needs to. Of course, I'm not gonna include liquidity, which everybody needs to know what liquidity is. So other than that, yeah, it could be like a breaker, SMT, just something imbalanced price range, all types of
Hmm?
traders I see. The price came up and hit the first presented fair value gap again. Once more, price could not really close above it.
We hit it 4 times.
Yeah,
Five.
so, but the thing about we're not dropping. We should be dropping. That's the thing. Like with that many times that we hit, right? Price should be trying to go lower. Right now, it's not.
I have to use the bathroom so badly. Like I'm gonna hold it, but I have to use the bathroom. And right now, if I had the fib to this little range, we're in the halfway mark.
This is not the range. The
I
range
said,
starts
I
from
know, I said this little range.
that's the range from. here
I
to
know, but
here.
I said this little range. You remind me of Mr. Bean.
You remind me of something that's so it is. I'm a singer.
I'm gonna play basketball while you're sick. Disgusting.
Not even really that pretty with my
Okay,
nose.
price is kind of no, it's not. I
Yeah,
mean,
nothing here is strong. Like I said, I need like a nice favor you got.
mm, my bias was to buy today, so I'm not gonna take. I'm gonna sit in my hands. I'm not gonna do anything.
Me too. I have a bias of buying, but like once you get like a little more advanced, you can obviously adjust to like wherever
I
you
know,
want
but
to
I'm
in the
not.
market.
I'm not.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying. I
Cause
know we have these liquidities right here. There's a liquidity right underneath here. So there's actually some relative equal lows right here in this area. So I wouldn't be shocked if price starts to come down here. It's just how we get down there. It's very like it's extremely like this is very, very messy,
because I
bro.
didn't want price to take the highs from yesterday, but I wanted price to
Me
drop, not like
neither.
this.
I mean, I don't mind it. I just I didn't want to take out the highs, but we already did. But like I said, it was a very shallow run, so I would like I wouldn't be surprised if price has to, if we do starts to flip, try to go back in there, maybe try to tag those highs.
Dave, it's gonna snow on Friday, Dave. They need men like you, Dave, to shovel the streets, Dave.
No, men and women are equal. Women should do it. I mean, that's what feminism are.
That's not what feminism is.
They want to do the same jobs that men do without any gender role being played a part of. So, right? I mean, am I wrong?
I didn't hear what you said, Dave, and you don't have to repeat yourself. Oh God! Yes, stay away from me, please. The pressure's just bouncing between fair value gaps. Lord, do
Yeah,
something.
I know. That's why it's not clean. That's why you see when you have multiple fair gaps near each other. That's why you don't want or multiple TD arrays next to each other. You really don't want to enter because like it's a combination of exactly what you're looking at right now. So you want to
Still,
wait until we get a gap, right? When there's like clear price action, like even from here to here, that's a good range. It's a good like any range like that from here to here. I mean, like I said, I'm trading from here because this is still inside the fair value gap, so this would be like a little different. It depends how strong price is. But but once you escape a fair value gap, that's when, especially a daily one, that's when you know that's something or something.
so fresh, fresh, so clean. Who was that?
It's a song.
I thought it was a YouTuber.
That's what Flight says.
Oh,
That's from
I,
a
I thought,
song. Flight says that, but it's from a song.
ew, not to flay. I've still been looking for a sus block or a suspicion block, and I have yet to see one on the chart. Form. Oh, I see one. Never mind. This one, literally at 9:08.
I mean, that called sus block. I mean, people in IPC community they call it a sus
I
block.
said suspension block,
Yeah, but it's a suspension block.
but I could call it whatever the damn I want to call it. Like,
I'm just letting you know
I'm
this.
just letting you know that I'm
This
okay.
is really messy person, messy person.
I could make you smaller. I just realized that.
Once it gets to like 9:50, 9:50 ish, I might not stay and waiting because the news coming at 10.
Yeah. Where's your thing? Mm. You remind me of a girl.
I mean, like I said, wait to the news. If it's this choppy, I might not even trade today. I might call it a week. This is like really, really choppy. Like this is disgusting chop. I mean, like I said, it's expected. It's like we're right at the weekly opening, so this is accumulating orders. This is like the most neutral you could get in a weekly opening when you're trading right at it. Like I said, neutral interest. Yeah.
Damn. And I was about to mark something too.
Yeah, terrible, terrible price action. Like right now, I'm like 60% not me not wanting to take a trade. No, I'll give it till 10 at this point. Like it's already like 9:50. I don't
That's
even
a
want to
free throw
trade.
percentage.
Don't want to trade right now before the news because this is just terrible. They say put an alarm for 10:05. Did you see Chris Paul got waived or something like that?
How can you get away from a team that's like 5 and 20?
I don't know. But apparently, like they're parting ways or something like that. And I really don't know. If that was just fell where it tore in her season or whatever,
I mean,
at
he's
least
retired. That's crazy. I like Chris Paul. That's crazy. Wow.
our generation is. I mean, at least the players we grew up watching, most of them are done.
Thank
Like
God Jalen Brunson exists.
it's
Thank
sad.
God that my God.
It's sad to see LeBron like this, barely getting 10 points a game. Like he averaged a game of 10 points, 0 rebounds, and 3 assists.
I mean,
That's
to be fair, he has Sadako.
I know, but I'm just saying, just in general, it's just sad seeing LeBron playing like this.
I feel like
I'm just not
LeBron,
used to
if
it.
you watch LeBron play, you could tell he still has it. He's even said he's just tired. He's winded. He's not used to. He's used to like playing. He just got back into it. He's
I
just.
know that's what I'm saying. No, he definitely gonna play better than what he's playing right now. But at the same time, you already know, like I mean, like he doesn't have that many more, many more years left in him.
My goat has anything he puts his mind to. Don't ever talk about LeBron.
That's the
Father
thing.
Time is scared.
It's just sad seeing LeBron
You
like
know,
this.
Father Time is scared of the
I mean,
third
at this
greatest
point,
player.
LeBron's what? Isn't he like the third, fourth option on the Lakers now?
Fourth. Who the who the hell?
You have DeAndre Ayton.
God, big week. I mean, It looks like Preston's to go lower. She's going.
Yeah, but it's terrible. I mean, there's no entry. There's really only one. Let's say you know this bad price. There's only one fair value gap that's been made in general. So that's how you know price
I
is not
wasn't talking about
flowing.
anything about selling. I just said price looks like it
I
wants to,
know. I'm just saying, like, there's no flow. There's no fluidity in price.
like the way you play sports. Just no flow, just stiff.
Trash.
Mm,
Yeah, like we might take it out down. We might
we
take
did
it
take it out.
so as low as we didn't.
Um,
Yeah, no, I mean, like I said, I'm not even if we take it out and whatever. I'm not touching it until like bare minimum, at least until 10. Now we hit the halfway point of the 5 minute wick. Oh my god, even this, we can't even create a fair value after that. Hold on, let's see.
Okay, Dave, I have to use the bathroom. Hopefully, I'm back. I'll bring the
Just wait,
computer.
just use the just be back before 10 because I'm
Yeah,
not
because
taking no
I've been trying to hold it. Lord have mercy.
just be back before 10 because I'm not taking no trade until at least after
I
10.
don't care that if you take a trade. I just want to see how prices doing.
I know I'm just saying I'm giving an
Throw
explanation.
me a fruit snack upstairs.
After, hold on, I'm gonna come upstairs after. Let me just hurry up. 5 minutes left. So, 3.
Okay, price.
All right, got a few seconds till the 10:30 till
Now
2.
this is like a setup. I can start to look for a buy. I mean, we have
There's
to take up
still
these
no
highs.
setup. First thing, get above here.
That's what I just said.
And even that, it depends how we trade. Like, it can't be, because technically we got above here on this candle, but it's just very small, minute. Like, it's not something I wouldn't trade, honestly. Like, I'm even think maybe contemplate waiting till we get above here, like this fair value gap right up here. To like really get a good confirmation. Right now, every bit got choppy. This is like a little like up above a high is not gonna like, you know, I'm not gonna be confident just with that alone.
What is that blue dotted lines at?
It's like the bottom. Like if the weekly fair right here, like if the fair value gap would have formed, then it would have been like right up here. So I want to see price. If we could stay above here, that would be bullish for me.
That's a wick.
Yeah, it's like the top part of the wick. Yeah, and this is what like this is right here. So like if
Isn't it?
definitely if we could trade above this whole entire thing, then I'd be like a little bit more confident.
Every time I have to use a bathroom, your grandma races me to the bathroom, no matter what, where she is. I never win. Like I don't get it. I mean, I like this candle right here.
Yeah, I like it. It's a nice bullish. The rest actually closed above here.
I'm gonna close above this wick right here, but I doubt I'll get an entry.
I mean, because we could create a fair value gap to close above. Like this actually doesn't look terrible. I mean,
But
let's see if we can create a fair value gap.
I mean, we cleaned out this fair value gap down at like 925. Now we're trading into the 930 opening fair, whatever it's called, the first presented fair value gap right now.
Yeah, no, we're trading down into it.
This is actually pretty simple. It's just more of just knowing what the hell you're looking at and having
Yeah, and
everything marked up.
patience. Yeah, and patience. It's half the time you have to wait for everything to set up.
I'm gonna backdoor you.
This, I'm contemplating on here. Like this just actually does not look that bad. I don't know, if we drop, maybe I'll try it out.
Up to your 60%. Is it get higher?
Yeah, because of this setup, right? Because if I we close, we gap, we came, create a fair value gap right here. We drop into the
Yeah, I
first
want price to
position.
take that. Oh, at least for me.
I want price to take this out, but I low key, I don't know if we're gonna get it. Yeah, I would want like a price to come take down here, and then I would have taken off something off right there. Even low key, this could have been an issue, but like I said, if it's how the way our price is today, I'm not gonna just take that just off of that.
I don't know if this would be too high. For price from the fair value gap,
It
I'll
honestly isn't that high. The reason why, because of the range. But yeah, but at the same time, like I don't like, I'm in between because like I do like this is the best stop to have. Reason why, because if we flip this right here, then we're definitely gonna go lower. Like if you have your stop here, right, we can still go a little bit lower and still be fine. You know what I mean? To
excuse me.
go
Hold up.
higher.
I'm gonna reset my paper trading. I heard you because I have some things that are.
Mm,
I'm gonna put 35,000. I don't know how much is to pass it like a 30 or $50,000. Ah, damn it. Now we're in a imbalance that I haven't worked out.
trying to see something where if I did it come to where what the flow might start doing.
My stop will be below the first presented fair value gap. That's where my stop would have been. Would be.
I might try that if we can get here. I'll try, but there's only one contract on there.
Real trading, like your
Yeah,
account.
yeah, okay, yeah, put one contract. If we can get, because then I'll take something. I'll literally close it out right up here.
I want you to last, even in my mind. 'Cause every
Order
time we
submitted.
touch,
Yeah, put a limit.
boom. I hit it. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, we
My
did.
traders. Yeah, my traders.
Order submitted.
I don't know. That's another entry. Is your stop below the?
Yeah, it's right underneath
Yeah,
this
that's where I would have put my
representative.
stuff.
Yeah. So I would have it right here, but might as well just include the whole thing.
Mm.
I only have one contract on, so yeah. I take a loss. I take a loss. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah, it looks like. I mean, I'm looking at this right here. If we close underneath here, like I'm not saying it's impossible for the trade to work out, but in my opinion, it decreases the chances of the trade to work out. Because if we're bullish, we should stay bullish.
That's crazy. That wick is exactly the 50%. You see, if you had the William thing, oh,
But yeah, we're just stuck in this fair value gap range right now. And just like that, I am going to get stuck. I mean, we hit the precedent to fair value gap. I mean, if price is gonna run, it should do it right now. It should. If we're gonna go higher.
I don't know how the hell pressing it take me out.
It's because where your stop is. That's what I'm saying. Like that's literally that's the one of the last line of defense.
No, 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 no. It hit my stop. I literally see it
I
hit
mean,
my.
I literally put one. I literally put. You see, this is. I put it one tick underneath the low. That's what I did. Like, you see the fair value gap right here. I put it like one tick underneath it. It could still go and hit it. I mean, I mean, we essentially actually closed underneath it. We could still hit it. Like, we want.
Realistically, I would have closed out my trade, but I'm not
No,
gonna
I'm
be.
not. I'm letting price do it. I'm letting price.
But
Like
I'm
I'm
letting.
hands off right now. If we take it out, like I'm because I'm comfortable with the trade. So like if we take it out, I'm fine. Like
Because
I'm not
I'm
over leveraged. I have exactly. If I lose, it's like $100 in this account. So I'm perfectly fine.
I'm
See
learning
this.
to let.
But do you see like you feel? Imagine if I'm almost over leveraged. I have like $1,000. I'm gonna be you know what I mean? I'm gonna be like
But you
very
never
nervous.
lose.
Because even if I take a loss on this trade, like you know, at least it's a different feeling. When you take a loss of a trade that you're comfortable with versus a trade that you're over leveraging, it's a completely different feeling.
But I never lose. Like stop this. But like I was trying to say, I'm just learning how to accept a loss in the market and not try to do too much.
Like I said, this is part of it. You
I
accept the
know.
loss by taking the trades that you want to take. Like that loss will feel a lot better than like you versus like taking a terrible loss. All right, that's it. I'm done. Done for the day.
Order canceled.
See, but at least I listened to all my rules. See, I'm happy today. I'm happy because I finally took a loss. You see, this is underneath $100, so I'm perfectly fine with today. Actually, I'm really fine with today.
This I wouldn't have taken this trade. I mean, I don't from
I
my.
mean, I don't mind the trade. I really don't mind it. I really don't mind. I mean, like I said, like until we could actually still really go, but like this is the one I really wanted. We just never really got it right here. We formed the fair value gap. This would have been perfect. Enter here, take something up here, and then maybe let the rest run if it wants to go higher. Just never give me the entry. Tried it over here. Because like I said, essentially we're still in a discount from here to here. So I thought maybe we could at least maybe try to hit here, right? And then maybe if price wanted to drop, then I would have taken something. I would have just completely closed the trade out right there. So yeah, I mean, it's basically it for me for today. I mean, like I said, it's been a nice. I had like a 14 something win streak. So
I'm gonna say 2 weeks.
I don't even know how long the win streak is, but
Yeah.
I also have another win streak of me following my rules. So
I like the color of my chart.
I'm gonna just walk off like this. Yeah, that's it. I don't want to do anything more. I actually want to follow my